Once I've created my Antech inventory items in DaySmart, I can create something called a bundle, which groups multiple items together. That way I can put custom pricing on that, and then I can add multiple items to the invoice at once, which is a real great workflow time saver. So I might have a few different Antech items that I put in a bundle, and I would first create an inventory item that creates a flat fee for that, the way I like to do it. So in this example, I'll just call this an Antech Adult Wellness Bundle. And then I would give that a category either as a fee or a lab type item. It's really just a fee though. And I would charge some kind of flat price that would include a fixed price for all of the items that I add to that bundle. So I'm just going to put that there and save that. Now I'm going to create the bundle itself by going to the Settings module, the Templates tab, New Template, do an invoice bundle here, and then I'm going to call that bundle the purpose of it. It's the main theme. In this example, I'm just calling it the Adult Wellness. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my items here from the Items tab. First, I'm going to add the various tests that I want to include in that, and maybe I'll find it by code or by name. Now, you can put the default price from the inventory and print that on the invoice, which is this in this case, but I'm going to actually put a custom price, and I'm going to drop that down to $0. I'm not going to charge for the specific lab. Instead, I'm going to charge a flat fee. So I'm not going to charge for that. And then I'm going to save and add new with this little shortcut here, and add my other items as well that I want to this bundle. Again, I'm going to just charge $0. You don't have to. You can put a custom price of whatever you want, but I like to put $0 and show it on the invoice to show the value of what the customer is getting. I'll add one more. Let's just go ahead and add this for the sake of the example here. And I'm going to drop that down to $0 as well. And then I'll just save and done. So these are my different items that I've added to the bundle. But I also want to add, of course, the flat fee for that. So I'm going to look for that item I created in my inventory for the bundle. And there's that, and here's my price for that. And in this case, I am going to use the default price from the inventory and show that on the invoice. And then what I like to do is always drag this to the very top, like that. So I've got my main charge here, my other items in the bundle, and I'm not charging for those, but I am going to show that to the client. So that's all set up. And now I can just go to the actual workflow aspect of that. I might be on an invoice and click on the Items tab and click New Bundle. And then I would find my bundle in there. There it is. And then I'll go ahead and click Next, and you'll see all of the items are pre-selected for me, and they show the pricing like that. So I can add all those items easily and create those requisition forms in one go there. So now that's going ahead and creating the form. Like we will see in another workflow on the individual record, it's very similar, but this is a nice shortcut and time saver, and I also get my custom pricing I want.